Thank you HMmagnets for sending this item to check out. And we are looking at the extra large shower weights for shower curtains. In the white color, 4-pack. Technically they're 4-pack, but it's actually 8 magnets. So they're like a pair. And they're all covered in silicone to help make it rust proof. And also to help reduce the noise. But the magnets are very powerful. I'm not really sure how I can demonstrate how strong they are. But they will attach each other very strong. And I challenge you to try to pull these apart. Without sliding them, just pull them out. Can't be done. It just can't be done. Okay, maybe it can, but just pull it straight out. Don't slide it. Don't slide it like this and pull them apart. Don't peel them apart. That would be cheating. But yeah, you won't be able to really, just with the leverage, just to pull them apart with your fingers. That's how strong they are. There will probably be different reasons why you need this. One of the reasons is if you're taking a shower and your shower curtain's always attaching itself to you. Like it just won't leave you alone, right? And in different scenarios, the shower curtain is being blown away from you. And it's letting all the water out onto the floor and out of the shower. So this will help keep it in place, off of you, or at least in place so it doesn't let the water out. So installing is pretty easy. You just got to put one in the front and one in the back of the curtain, and the optimal placement will be at the bottom in this particular type of setup. But it really depends because, like in my case, I have two lining, the one on the inside and the one on the outside. So if the outer part's giving you the most problem, then you can place the weights there, or if it's the inside giving you the problem, then you can place the weights there, or you can place them just a little bit higher so that they're more functional for you, or you can just get more weights instead of trying to get heavier weights. And this has been HMmagnets extra large shower weights.